Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, August 29th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold dollar, it definitely, to me, still looks like a 1, 2, 3. We are getting close to that 161.8 Fibonacci extension target that I've been talking about for a very long time. Now, that's just the minimum where wave 3 can go. Wave 3s can actually go way, way, way beyond the 161.8. But if it does decide to end the wave 3 there, it definitely seems very logical that it would go down and make a wave 4, then probably back up and make a wave 5. So let's take a look at it on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, definitely still looks like this is the end of a wave 2 down here. This is all subdivisions of the wave 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of wave 3, I believe. So taking it down to the daily time frame, trend is definitely still up on the daily. We have no break of structure to the downside. We don't really even have a significant lower high or anything like that telling us this trend is over. And we still haven't quite hit that 2550 area that I've been targeting. So I'm definitely still leaning towards longs at the end of pullbacks on shorter time frames. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now, because this made 1, 2, 3 waves up, I was looking at this like maybe we're in a double three pattern: 1, 2, 3 waves down, 1, 2, 3 waves up. That often will lead to 1, 2, 3 waves down for a WXY, or sometimes you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down for like a flat pattern. Now, even though that kind of does look like what possibly could be happening, the trend is up on every single higher time frame, and most of the other dollar pairs look like they already made an ABC correction ending right here, that they're already back into the uptrend. So I definitely would still be leaning towards longs on the shorter time frames. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this last move right here. This last move right here definitely does look like a trend, but if this really is a wave C like I was explaining on the 4 hour time frame, then this is actually just going to keep on trending up, making higher highs and higher lows like that. Now, if it really isn't, and this really is like a double three pattern like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, and now we're going down for either a wave Y or a wave C of a wave of a flat, then we would definitely get a Fibonacci bounce with a big engulfing move to the downside with a break of structure. If you see a Fibonacci bounce, nice engulfing move to the downside, break of structure, then I would take that as a short, potentially, because that is either going to be a wave C of wave Y, or it possibly is a wave 3 of a wave C of an expanding flat or a regular flat on the higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.